Good afternoon, my name's Alex Webb and I'm here at Startin Skoda, and I just wanted to show you this walk around video of the Skoda Octavia. This particular one is a hatchback, 1.5 petrol manual SE trim with the gorgeous moon white metallic paint. Registered in 2017 and sold by yours truly originally, and just traded back in by the gentleman for a slightly newer version as well. This one's actually sporting 50,000 miles and full dealership service history, so it's at a cracking price. It is priced to sell at just under £10,000. It is gorgeous inside and out. It looks really good, and it really pops when the sun hits it. So for the 5 days a year we do get British people, it will look gorgeous. I'll just give you a bit of a close-up of one of the alloy wheels, but as I say, not a mark on them. They look absolutely stunning. Going around the back, you've then got your rear LED headlights. You've got your rear parking sensors, and one of the main reasons people often opt to go for the Octavia is the practicality and the amount of stuff that you can fit inside the boot. Now, this is What Car's Car of the Year for about 5 or 6 years running. Best family car in class, best family estate car for the estate version as well. Value for money in terms of the ride quality, comfort, power and practicality. It ticks all those boxes. It is an award winner, basically. So to give you an idea, that's an absolutely monstrous space inside there. Loads and loads of room on both sides as well. So for the golfers among you, there is a little bit wider on both sides, so you can fit your clubs in as well. Really nice though, guys. Generally the condition on this is absolutely gorgeous. I'll just show you on the inside as well. So you've then got the 3 cloth huggy seats with tons and tons of legroom in there, two-tone with the black and grey. You then got your electric window controls, but as I say, this one's really nice. To be honest, I don't think anyone sat in the back. It looks pretty damn immaculate in there. Just to show you the front, guys, as well. So you've got your electric windows, you've then got your wing mirror controls, you've then got your audio mounted controls on the steering wheel, you've got your lights, windscreen wipers, and then moving over slightly, you've got your old school and traditional manual handbrake there when the camera focuses. You've then also got the cup holders. Ooh, come on, camera. There you go. You've also got the cup holder with the smartphone holder and 12-volt charger. 6-speed manual gearbox, USB and auxiliary port just nestled below the climate control unit. And you've also then got the main screen, which features SmartLink, so allows you to double up your phone as a sat-nav, plug it in via the USB cord, and it actually will run through the car's center screen, along with Bluetooth and DAB as well. So they're really nicely looked after car, guys. For 50,000 miles, you definitely wouldn't be able to tell it. And as with all of Octavias, we do expect them to go to a minimum of 250 to 300,000 miles. So it's a teenager, this one. So thanks very much for watching the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed having a little look around. If you would like to request any more information, please call me directly on 01905 830 361. Just ask for Alex Webb when you come on through. But apart from that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching.